It is September 28th, 2016, and here are this week's trivia quiz answers. So the first question, all of these actually had to do with our sales presentation from last week. So if you watched that, you'll probably have a bigger advantage than otherwise. So the first question, what is the best way to give a sales presentation? And the answers are in person, using telecom software, i.e. GoToMeeting, Google Hangouts, etc., at a trade show, on the phone, or any of the above. Now, this time we're going to take any of two correct answers. The very best way to deliver a sales presentation is in person, but you really shouldn't let that stop you from giving a sales presentation when you have the opportunity. So a lot of times we don't have the budget to travel to a client's location, or whatever the situation is. There's always a way. So find a way, and any of the above will work. So we'll accept either of those two answers as a correct answer. Okay, so second question, which Insider Circle member is a professional sales consultant? And that would be Mark Leeper. He actually works with us on our sales consultation products. When we're doing sales presentations and rehearsals and things like that with clients, he does a great job of really getting to the bottom of what's going to help you be successful with those those sales presentations. All right. Last question. Which of these is not a successful outcome of a sales presentation? Honestly, yes, no, or next steps are all good answers. But the answer that we're looking for this one is, I'll think it over and get back to you. That is not a good answer because you haven't set a concrete next step. If you'd set a date, if you had said, here's the piece of information that's missing from our sales or from our purchasing procedure, we're going to make a decision at the end of the quarter, call me back again on Thursday and we'll have an answer, or call me back again on Thursday and I will have sought some more information from my side. Whatever the situation is, as long as there is a next step with a date on it, that's really what we're looking for on that one. Right? So this week's winner is Jasen Barnes of Flight Schedule Pro, and he wins a $10 Starbucks gift certificate. Please do not spend it on pumpkin spice. That's all we ask. Actually, if you do, that's fine. Just don't tell us that you did. We don't want to contribute any more pumpkin spice to the universe than is already there. We think that's a horrible use of marketing, is to combine pumpkin with coffee and anyway. So next week's trivia challenge is going to be up tomorrow morning, Thursday morning, which is the 29th. So do join us for that. You can play every week. There's no problem with that, and you can win more than once. So if you're really into caffeine, you can play this all the time and win all the time. Even if you're not into caffeine, they have other things from what I understand, or you can use them as trading material and things like that. Or if you'd rather we do a different prize, let me know and let's talk about it. So have a great week, and we'll see you next week when we announce our winners to the next trivia challenge.